Alright, on this one here, top rack, it's hard to pull out. And sometimes the wheel will jump off the track. And it looks like these two wheels here are moving fine. I can feel it catching on this side, and that back one's good. And right there's the bad one, right here. You can see it starts moving, and then it stops, and it just slides. And it looks bent too. I don't think it's the rail. Yeah, a lot of resistance. So we'll grab some new rollers here. Get this thing rolling nice and smooth. So you want to go ahead and slide your rack in, and then pull your rails out so you have access to these two clips right here. Alright, get a flathead, got my Klein 11-in-1 small flathead. Let's get in right here at this clip, bend it out, and then slide it out. One, a little hard to do with one hand here, but same thing on this one. Clip, popped it off. Alright, set those up there, pull our rack out. And these old wheels, just clip them on, just flip it around, and just pull it off. Same thing on this one. Flip it around, pull it off. Two. Alright, run up to the shop, grab some new rollers. Okay, here's our dishwasher rollers. Upper rack, here they are. And looks like I got one pack left. I'll have to order some more. Here's the lower rack rollers here. I got a bunch of those. The bag's actually open. And here's some extra clips. This is on the end of the rack that I popped off. Alright, we'll go down, throw these on. Should slide nice and easy then. Okay, we're back at the apartment. And these wheels, doesn't matter which one goes where. Let's go ahead and slide it on and spin it so it clips on. Do the same with your back one right here. Oops. There we go. Now just go ahead and get your rollers inside the track on each side. Okay, we got that one in. Come over here. Got that one. Now we can go ahead and wheel it in until the tracks stop. And now we can get the back ones in. There's that one. There's that one. tracks that come out a little bit. Go ahead and pull those. Get our clips. Just pop them in. The little tab on the outside. You can see the tabs right there. Nice and smooth. Pretty easy. So that's changing the rollers on the top rack on the GE dishwasher. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.